Nestled on Jupiter Island, Florida, lies a natural wonder that's a testament to successful conservation efforts. Welcome to Blowing Rocks Preserve, a 73-acre nature reserve managed by the Nature Conservancy. This hidden gem is a haven for nature enthusiasts and travelers alike. Blowing Rocks Preserve is named after its unique geological feature, the Anastasia Limestone shoreline, the largest on the Atlantic coast. During high tide, waves crash into these rocks, forcing plumes of water up to 50 feet into the air. It's a breathtaking spectacle of nature's power and beauty. But there's more to Blowing Rocks Preserve than its namesake phenomenon. This preserve is home to a variety of flora and fauna, including several endangered species. It also serves as a vital nesting ground for sea turtles, making it an important sanctuary for wildlife. Blowing Rocks Preserve is a shining example of successful conservation. The Nature Conservancy works tirelessly to restore native plant communities and remove invasive species, ensuring that this natural habitat thrives. Through these efforts, the preserve continues to support a diverse range of wildlife and plant species. Visitors to Blowing Rocks Preserve can explore a network of trails that wind through mangrove wetlands and tropical hammocks. Each trail offers a unique perspective of the preserve, from stunning ocean views to peaceful wooded areas. Whether you're hiking, bird watching, or simply taking in the scenery, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Bird watching is a popular activity here, with both migratory and resident species making the preserve their home. Photography enthusiasts will find endless opportunities to capture the beauty of the landscape. For those looking to learn more, educational programs and guided tours provide deeper insights into the preserve's ecosystem and conservation efforts. The geology of Blowing Rocks Preserve is one of its most fascinating aspects. The Anastasia Limestone formations, believed to be at least 125,000 years old, create a unique coastal landscape. When waves crash into these rocks, the water is forced through eroded holes and crevices, creating spectacular plumes. This natural wonder is best witnessed during the winter months when tides are higher. The preserve is also a crucial nesting ground for sea turtles, including loggerheads, greens, and leatherbacks. Visitors may have the chance to witness this incredible event during nesting season. From its native plants to its diverse wildlife, Blowing Rocks Preserve showcases Florida's rich biodiversity. The trails at Blowing Rocks Preserve offer visitors the chance to explore its varied landscapes. Whether you're watching the waves crash against the rocks or enjoying a peaceful sunset, the preserve's coastal scenery is sure to captivate you. It's a perfect destination for seasoned hikers and casual walkers alike. Planning your visit to Blowing Rocks Preserve is easy. The preserve is open to the public, with a small entrance fee that supports ongoing conservation efforts. It's a great destination for families, nature enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a unique coastal experience. Remember to follow the preserve's guidelines, including staying on designated trails and respecting wildlife. The Nature Conservancy plays a vital role in maintaining and protecting Blowing Rocks Preserve. Their dedicated efforts ensure that this natural treasure remains a thriving ecosystem. Educational programs and volunteer opportunities allow visitors to engage with and support these conservation efforts. Climate change poses a significant threat to coastal ecosystems like Blowing Rocks Preserve. Rising sea levels and increased storm intensity can lead to erosion and habitat loss. The Nature Conservancy's research and conservation strategies aim to mitigate these impacts and preserve these delicate ecosystems for future generations. Blowing Rocks Preserve is a testament to the beauty and importance of Florida's natural coastal landscapes. By visiting, you're not just exploring a unique destination, but also supporting the preservation of these precious ecosystems for future generations. We invite you to experience the wonder of Blowing Rocks Preserve and join us in protecting this natural treasure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Doreen McGonigal Fine Art Photography channel for more nature adventures and conservation stories. See you next time.